A very good morning from Khandwala Securities Limited and welcome to Wednesday's trading action at Dalal Street dated December 29th, 2021. Judging by early action at SGX Nifty, it appears Dalal Street will aim to extend its annual Santa Claus rally. The two positive catalysts favoring bulls. First, RBI report says that banks' gross NPAs declined to 6.9% at September end from 8.2% in March 2020. Second, optimism that the current spread of Omicron infections will have a limited or a short-lived impact on the Indian economy and the global economy. Overnight at Wall Street, the S&P 500 too traded with positive bias and most importantly set a fresh all-time high record. Even Dow Jones extended its gains above 36,000 mark. Christmas rally is seen gaining conviction as short sellers are getting squeezed. Well, as the calendar year draws to a close, there is a big probability that FIs could be out of action. This means that sharp market moves on the upside is quite possible without any news behind them. The economic calendar is also pretty light. Amidst this backdrop, Dalal Street is poised for further classic Santa Claus rally as the benchmark Nifty is likely to get into speculative mood. Our call of the day suggests risk-on mood will be preferred trading theme for the day, but on any excessive upside, cautious mood may prevail on backdrop of concerns over the continued surge in global coronavirus cases. Denting sentiments will be reports that global COVID cases hit a record 1.44 million, lifting the 7-day moving average to around 8,41,000. Long story short, bulls need to buckle up and should hang on as on the way up volatility likely to be the hallmark. The spotlight will remain on Omicron developments and President Biden's pending promises. Technically speaking, the ongoing upbeat bullish mood shall take Nifty to 17,500 to 17,750 zone with an interweek perspective. That said, the optimism could reverse and cause a nasty New Year's hangover only if Nifty slips below 16,833 mark. Our chart of the day is bullish on stocks like Metropolis, Dr. Lal PathLabs, Titan, Mindtree, Asian Paints and LTI with an interweek perspective. The one stock to buy right now? Buy Lal PathLabs January futures for 0 to 5 days at current market price 3,571 for an objective of 3,621 and then at 3,751, stop loss 3,421, alert oversold zone. The Nifty options data for December series suggests Nifty is likely to be in a trading range of 16,500 to 18,000 zone. Maximum call open interest at 18,000 followed by 17,500 strike price. So the 18,000 mark will be Nifty's crucial resistance zone. Maximum put open interest stands at 17,000 levels followed by 16,500 levels. Call writing was seen at 17,300 and then at 17,500 strike price, while there was meaningful put writing at 17,200 and then at 17,100 strike price. Bank Nifty's maximum call open interest at 35,500 strike price, while maximum put open interest at 35,000 strike price. The FI scam continue to be net sellers as in the month of December so far they have sold shares worth rupees 34,107.43 crores. In yesterday's session, however, FIs bought shares worth rupees 207.31 crores. That's all we have for now. For any queries, do contact us at 022 4076 7373 and do visit our website www.kslindia.com. Thank you and have a profitable day. Please note that the stocks mentioned in this podcast are only for educational purpose. Khandwala Securities Limited or any of its employees shall not be held responsible for any investment or trading action undertaken by any person based on the stocks mentioned in this podcast.